I just got done with my monorail ride around the Disneyland Resort. And I'm like, what am I gonna do next, FreshBaked? What is next for us? And then I saw this omnibus drove by. You know what? Disney Wind's guiding me. I saw this omnibus and I'm like, you know, we hardly ever, if ever, take this thing back to Town Square. We always just take it to the castle. So I think that's our next objective. Is an omnibus drive back down Main Street to Town Square.
Coming up here on the right is Sleeping Beauty's Castle. Big way to Mickey's Toon Carol. That makes a small world.
I'm surprised for it.
Oh my God. How many times? And I still lose it. Wow. I haven't been in there in a while. It's such a time commitment though. Frontierland. The wonders of the hub and spoke setup. Brilliant. Just brilliant. A little silent ride today.
Coming up here on the left is the Photo Supply Company. They can take care of all your photographic needs.
Apparently, I just saw this last week for the first time. Coke Corner has one of those, I don't know if it's a foot long or whatever.
Coming up here on the right is the Penny Arcade for penny, nickel, and a dime. You have a way to live a good time.
The kind of dog you get at Casey's in Walt Disney World. Casey at the bat, you know, those enormous, big enough for two hot dogs. I saw some folks getting one. I'm gonna have to go check that out one of these days. I didn't know we had that.
Coming up here on the left is the Market House, where you can listen in on a telephone party line. Play checkers on the Potbelly stove. For now coming to the end of our journey, please remain seated until the bus comes to a full and complete stop. Please make sure you have all personal items when exiting the bus. Thank you and enjoy the day here at the Magic Kingdom.
We'll be going in here next, well we passed it already, the Candy Palace, to look at some of the treats and stuff they have for Main Street Electrical Parade. I promised you some highlights from that show, and as soon as we get done with this ride, stay tuned because he will get some highlights from the Main Street Electrical Parade that we saw on Friday. And here's a branch. Oh! That branch literally hit me right in the face. Quite literally. It looks like the last one, you guys. We're parking here. This means this is the last ride for the omnibus. But before we go to the County Palace and before I show you those highlights, let's sit here at Town Square for a minute and watch Goofy meet some guests. Doesn't this sound like fun? Looks like they're about ready to take off on the horse-drawn streetcar too. I don't see Streetcar Dave. He may be done already for the day. Okay, well that explains why the streetcar isn't going, because the Dapper Dans are going to do a number. I think we're going to have to watch that too. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. just did that. Fantastic. Between that monitor or the omnibus ride, landing at Town Square and catching Goofy meeting guests at Town Square, and then Dapper Dan's. I'm losing it. I am fully emotional right now. There's no limit, FreshBaked. There is no limit to how much Disneyland can reach you. It's never enough. All right. Okay. Hold on. I've lost myself a little bit. Okay. We're at the Penny Arcade and the Candy Palace. We're gonna see what they have here. Whew. Okay. Well, before I do that, no, after. We'll do it after. We're gonna find out what they have here for the Main Street Electrical Parade. Usually, those are back here. So that's where I'm going. There's stuff all over the park actually, but this is where we are at the moment. Oh, look at that. Yep. So there's the little ladybugs. I wonder where else I need to look. Oh, they have a
I've heard the churro toffee is amazing.
I've had that. It's fantastic. Yes.
Great?
Yes, it's great. Yeah, I got that at over in DCA.
Really?
At Bing Bongs.
Okay, we're headed over there for cars, so
All right.
I'm definitely gonna get
Okay.
it. FreshBaked is amazing.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank
Yeah.
you. They've got the Caterpillar also character-inspired marshmallow wand. What else? Ooh, look at that. The Main Street Electrical Parade. Mickey, well, I guess, what is that? Yeah, some Rice Krispie treat. Decorated crisp rice cereal treat. They can't call it Rice Krispie. And then I guess these are also, they're just kind of rainbow. But that qualifies if you ask me. Meanwhile, over at Coach Corner, you've got a Firefly hot dog. Now, it's not rainbow colored, but it certainly is fiery, I guess, like the Main Street Electrical Parade is. There's more at the Jolly Holiday Cafe. We've got the Main Street Electrical Parade Pineapple Coconut Parfait. That is just beautiful, isn't it? Don't you think that's beautiful? I wonder if the pineapple upside down bundt cake also qualifies just because of the color combinations. And look at this. Ladybug macaroni. They were supposed to have a Cheshire Cat Linzer cookie in there also, but I did not see one. I don't know what a Linzer cookie is. I need to be educated. Right next door to the Candy Palace, the Penny Arcade, is the Gibson Grill. If you have a little bit more of a hearty treat in mind, you can enjoy something from inside there. I can't show you, I can't walk in there and show you what it's got because they don't have it on display, obviously, because it's ice cream made to order. Fantasia ice cream, which is cherry, pistachio, and banana. Sounds wild. And then the Fantasia Waffle Bowl Sundae, which is a waffle bowl, obviously, with Fantasia ice cream that we just described, as well as caramel sauce, multicolored chocolate candy, whipped cream, and a cherry. Ian got one of these last night on his way out of the park. Ian really knows how to do Disney, you guys. I wish he did a blog or a vlog of his own. We have to settle for what he does on our show, but Ian really knows how to do Disneyland. He especially knows how to do Disneyland Soho. Look at this here. Remember this, when this just went by a few minutes ago? And these guys are waving at us. Hi, guys. with the Dapper Dads. Oh, okay, we just pulled over. So there you go, Gibson Grills, great ice cream in there, a lot of fun stuff. Now, there's one more. Well, I was gonna show you the last thing being the Main Street Electrical Parade popcorn bucket that you can get here at the Hub and also at Town Square, but they're not out yet. They're coming out, we believe, in a couple days, like Tuesday, I think. But that's where you get one right here. Main Street Electrical Parade popcorn bucket. So yeah, there you go, guys. Good stuff from Main Street Electrical Parade. Some really fun treats. I hope you get one. I hope you get to see the show. If you don't, here's some highlights, as promised, of the Main Street Electrical Parade.
Main Street Electrical Parade.
know, while you guys were enjoying those highlights from the Main Street Electrical Parade, I snuck into the Gibson Girl, got me a scoop of that Fantasia ice cream. I was going to get the waffle cone sundae, but that's just too much for me. I can't do that all by myself. I would need help with that. So I just got the scoop of ice cream, pistachio, cherry, and banana. I'm going to enjoy this while I go back to the seat I just started in earlier at Town Square. And I'm going to sit here and enjoy this and the sights and the sounds of Town Square. That train that just whistled. You can hear the clip-clop right now. Do you hear that? Of the horse-drawn streetcar? Maybe we'll see some characters. And maybe we'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then, guys. Don't forget, by the way, before I go, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe here and on FreshBaked Presents. You can follow and on our acoustic channel, Disneyland Tours. There are links to both of those in the description and on our main channel. Follow us on Instagram at _FreshBaked and on Twitter at FreshBakedBusy. That's Fresh with no E. We're on the web at freshbaked.com. You can buy a shirt, a FreshBaked shirt. There are links to that in the description as well. We've got the duck shirt. Actually, by now, well, we got a new shirt out. I think by now the monorail shirt should hopefully be ready. And then we've got the duck crossing shirt. You can get a pin, a FreshBaked pin, on our website. Also, FreshBaked ears. There's lots of FreshBaked stuff you can support. And we're on Patreon. We've got some exclusive content for Patreon members. They're already up now, plus more to come. So if you want to see some extra content from FreshBaked exclusively for Patreon members, go to our Patreon page. There's a link to that in the description below as well. And other than that, guys, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. We love you very much. Bye, guys. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!